Samir, he's back on the video, guys.
Bye.
No, it's okay. You will buy or I'll buy. It doesn't matter. First, give for an accident car. First thing, what you look to buy the 30,000, guys, to change the design from outside. Price is not fixed, guys. Cars in a single container, guys. So I can. You louder. Talk louder, Samir. Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is AzooL from AzooL channel. My friend Samir, he's back on the video, guys. Samir was not coming on the videos. So
Samir is busy.
Samir is busy. He's a big man, guys. He have like just buy, repair them and sell it. So today we came in a place. Samir wanna buy a new car as well, guys. So first thing, so explain more, Samir. What's the car like? Catch your eyes. Which car like you're interesting from this place?
Why that's Sonata.
So what he's saying is that you don't have to buy always expensive car or a very super car. You know, you can start with very normal cars like a Hyundai, Kias, Toyotas, Corollas. So those cars we're gonna give you, you know, a very resale, a very good fast sales. Sometimes you don't need to repair it as well. Just put it and other people are gonna see it and you easily can make on that like 2,000 or 3,000 dirhams.
Yeah.
So let's check the place and see which kind of car they have in here. But you know, Samir, this the blue Camaro just catch my eyes very much. So we'll check that as well. So give me information. What before you buy any car, what kind of stuff you see the cars and how you calculation the spare parts.
How is the situation of the car?
Yeah. So
then,
give us information how you want to check as your views. You know. We'll start the video.
Yeah.
Yeah. Poof.
Bye.
No, it's okay. You will buy or I'll buy. It doesn't matter. First, give us okay for an accident car. First thing, what you look to buy the car. You know. Example, this is a 2016. Which model is that? You don't have any idea on that as well? No, this 17. Is a lot number.
17.
17, okay. 17 Chevrolet Camaro. Okay, the first thing, what do you look about the car?
And the interior is very clean. No airbag outside, just the seat airbag. And
okay. And the roof is up. Yeah? Okay, what else?
So this we have to fix.
And 2017, yeah?
Yeah, 17.
Okay.
And this one smooth.
There's no accident on the here on the panel, but we have, I think, the you know the Sharjah and jumping is not straight.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, sure.
So maybe some mechanic part as well. There's damage, you know.
Small problems.
Okay, what else you are looking for the car? Okay, it's already open, I think, Samir. Yeah. But you know the blue color. This is a special car. It looks very good on this car.
Very nice.
Open it here. And of course we have Ihsan as well, who work in Samir garage. Samir is a big guy. Okay. This is a V6 or what is it? V4. It looks very big, you know. It doesn't look like a V6.
No.
So this is like a Ford Mustang EcoBoost, or no? This is a normal V6 or something.
Not V6, it's V4.
V4. It's a normal V4.
Yeah, normal.
It look garbage for this car. You're gonna put. So it doesn't make sense for this car. You drive a V4. Is it?
Turbo engine.
This is turbo.
I think so. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, we'll say turbo. Okay. This is a turbo V4, guys. Yeah?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Okay. Okay. So after you open the hood.
I'm not a big fan of Camaro, that I don't know.
But people gonna buy these cars, you know. It's in the market. There's a big market on these cars, you know. Especially young people are very interesting on this kind of cars.
Or this color.
Especially this color as well, yeah. So what else, Samir? What did you understand till now the car?
Small accident.
A small accident. But if I didn't think so, that small accident, you know, from the rim, it just cracked, it broke. So the accident was too hard, you know.
One young guy was driving, drifting.
Maybe he was drunk.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, drifting. Okay, from here, what items do you think we need from the front? The panel is good, yeah. No damage on the chassis on this panel.
No damage.
Okay.
We need small tools.
But I can see from here, you know, the car was already painted, yeah. So the car was rebuilt before as well. Probably it will be the second time or third time, yeah? Maybe. So what else? Give us more experience. Samir, you're not talking anything. I need to talk you louder. Talk louder, Samir! Samir! We need only 5,000 dirham worth items to fix this car, and of course we need to pay some money for the garage as well. So the garage will cost around 3,000 dirham. So the total cost for this car to fix it, it's 8,000 dirham, guys. And this is not I'm saying, this is a guy with a lot of experience. Every single day he buy cars and fix it. Yeah? Okay. Let's go and ask the price for the car, how much the owner is asking for this car. And after that, I'm going to show you more about the place. Let's see what they have here. So this is the Mercedes, yeah? This is the E-Class 3 what? 300. This is the same thing as well. Okay. Mr. Hassan, yeah, the garage owner. And we have a G-Class as well, Samir.
The G-Class?
The Mercedes G-Class.
I don't think it's a car.
Okay, so they're selling as a used car. No accident at all on this? More than 30,000 guys to change the design from outside only, guys, to look very good, you know. But from inside, guys, this is still the old Mercedes. Can you open from there? Yeah. Normal 4 cars in a single container, guys. So I can see this is the Kia, which is the Sportage Kia, and there have to be 2 other cars as well, you know, end of that.
Yeah, 2.
So 2 cars will be, this is a Nissan Maxima? This is a Nissan Altima and Kia Sportage, and from there I cannot see, guys, which 2 cars that, but of course they're gonna empty the container as well. So of course they're gonna empty the container and there'll be 4 other cars as well, guys. So Samir, what do you think about the place? Do you like the place? Which kind of car they have? Caught your eye so much? Except the G-Class, of course.
What is the G-Class?
Okay, I think the Camaro was good. The Mercedes, both of them was good, you know. The E-Class and
damage.
And of course I talked with the owner of this place. He told me they had many cars, but of course when the car arrived, a lot of people already bought it, you know, from the pictures. So they already sold it, yeah. So he said probably on 2 weeks after they're gonna bring a lot of more containers, many other cars.
So after 2 weeks they'll get more cars.
Yeah.
So today they don't have this.
They don't have
they have
cars.
many cars,
but of course I'm gonna write all the information about the shops I'm visiting down description below. You can check them out. For the car, he was asking 50,000. Of course, we can asking. Of course, it's not a fixed price. We can negotiable for the price as well. We can make it a good discount for that. Price is not fixed, guys. As Samir told me, the car need 8,000 dirham, guys, to fix it, and the owner was asking 50,000. So if we go on that one, it will be on the 58 2017 Chevrolet Camaro 6-cylinder, you know,
6-cylinder.
And the best thing, the color, guys. I really love the car. It's one of the best color, guys. Best to bring Samir as well because he have more experience in these places. So of course it will be more easy for me also to record the video. So make sure to follow his Snapchat and Instagram page as well. I'm gonna add all the information down below. Okay, so this is the end of the video. See you for the next video, guys. And you ended, Samir. Huh? End the video.
Peace.